Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial on how to start affiliate marketing with no audience.
The reason I am borrowing the content from this video is because it's awesome. I watched it, I loved it. You must be wondering, Mosh, you make videos. This guy makes videos. This guy has over 700,000 followers on YouTube and I have over 500,000 followers across all social media accounts. What qualifies me to teach you how to start affiliate marketing without a following? The answer is, my friend, we make videos. And if you hate making videos, I have a solution for you. Brothers and sisters, please welcome Lucidfluencer AI. This AI application will put my face on this video. Step number 1, go to Creator, create a project, give it a title, click continue. Then I will click here and upload a selfie of mine. It's uploaded, click continue. Now either I will click from YouTube button and select a video from YouTube, or I will upload my chosen video clip from my hard drive. Click submit and your job is done. The application will render the video and you can download it once it's done. Important disclaimer, you should only use the videos and images that you have rights to use. You can use PLR, Creative Commons videos from YouTube, your own videos and images, or AI images, but make sure you are not doing anything illegal. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how to turn this video
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you
into this video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial on how to start affiliate marketing with no audience. So for those of you who do not already have a following built up on any social media platforms, this is going to be the video for you. Now, what's going to make this video super helpful,
I'm going to show you where you can get access to this software from. I'll drop the link in the description. Alternatively, you can go to moshbari.com/lucid. That's it. We just launched this software and the price is super low. And probably this is the only AI software that does this kind of magic at a crazy low one-time price. If you don't lock in that price and you come back later and you see a higher price or a monthly recurring or annual recurring price, I will not be able to help you. If you want a low one-time price at a launch deal, then use the link in the description and get your access right now. And second, I assume you are here and watching this video because you do not have an audience. You do not have social media following and you are in doubt whether you can start affiliate marketing without a social media following, without customers list, without mailing list. The answer is yes, and we will be using some of the tactics of this video and a secret underground tactic that we teach our students in our program, which is called TAP method. I also assume because you're watching this video, you have an attitude of learning what you don't know. But I also know that you have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business, so you are not free, you are busy. Maybe you only have 2 to 3 hours per day to invest in a side hustle that will eventually bring you job replacing income. If all these are true, then you need only this video to start making money with affiliate marketing with zero following.
So for those of you who do not already have a following built up on any social media platforms, this is going to be the video for you. Now, what's going to make this video super helpful is I'm going to explain things on camera here, but then also on screen recording on my computer so you can follow along step by step.
Don't worry, you do not need to watch 10 minutes of this video. I'm going to show you how to learn from something super fast using AI. You need to get the content of this video. In order to do that, click this more in the description, then go to show transcript. Now go to ChatGPT. My students have access to our proprietary AI agent Grow. But don't worry if you don't have access to this AI agent. I will give you a prompt that you can use and get similar results. So I will click Grow and it will ask for the YouTube video link. I'll copy the video URL, paste it here, click this arrow button. Now the AI agent asks for transcript of the video with timestamps. We already have the transcript here. Just drag and select the whole transcript, paste it, click this arrow button again, and this AI agent will do the rest of the job. Now it summarized the whole video for my audience who want to learn how to make money online as a side hustle. It gives me every single sections and the start time and the end time of each section and turn this whole summary into a step-by-step tutorial. It also gives me the whole business model in 20 words. Let me read it because it's interesting. Create niche specific YouTube videos videos, rank on Google and YouTube, and earn commissions by embedding affiliate links in video descriptions. That's amazing. We pretty much understand what this video is going to share with us. Also, to make it easy and easy to remember, it gives us an SOP or standard operating procedure for the whole business model, and it gives me an interesting acronym called FISH. F stands for Find a Niche, I stands for Identify Affiliate Programs, S stands for Set up YouTube videos for ranking on Google and YouTube, and H stands for Harvest affiliate commissions with consistent effort. Did you see how easy it is to learn something with AI? You just need to ask AI that, hey, I want to learn this. Tell me what should I focus on. AI will tell you, and then you ask, if I focus on this, tell me the steps as a tutorial. Give me SOP. And from the results you get from AI, you can start your research, put in a little bit of time and effort, and learn. Now, at any point of this video, if you feel that there are lots of steps and you don't have time for that, I get you. I would like to invite you to this training, which is specifically built for you. The link is in the description. Go and watch this video. This will show you the whole business model step by step. You don't have to spend a lot of time on learning and doing it yourself, because this will show you a program at the end. And this program helps our beginner members just like you earn $500 commissions with a 99% done for you system. All these people you see on the screen, they are our members. They joined our program while they have a 9-to-5 day job, completely busy. Even this guy here is a medical student in Pakistan. Rachel lives in Australia. She has her own business. Ruby lives in Malaysia. She's a busy mom. And Daryl used to be my neighbor in UAE. David lives in UK. He has a 9-to-5 day job. Jody is a busy mom and she has the day job as well. All these beginners. Yesterday, Rabbi made $150 while working as my team member. Mushfiq Nizam Supta lives in Bangladesh. Day before yesterday, he earned $250 in passive affiliate commission. Usman lives in Turkey. Day before yesterday, he made $597 commission. Ilham is 60-year-old, busy mom and has a 9-to-5 day job. A few days back, she earned $300 commission. A couple of days before, she earned another $300 commission. And the same day, Rabbi made another $300 commission. My partner, Yogesh, made $200 commission last week. On the same day, Nathan made $200 commission. Alvin has 0 followers on social media. He made $500 commission a couple of weeks back. I can go on, and I can show you hundreds of results. Shaun Qayyum made $500 commissions. Amreen made $500. Salma made another $500 commission. All these students made their commissions easily. It was pretty easy for these beginner students to make these commissions because the program is 99% done for you. Yes, there is a learning curve, but it's short, simple, and easy. This training link is in the description below. It's a free to watch training. Go watch it, and at the end, you will learn about our program. And if you have any questions, feel free to click here and chat with this AI chat assistant. Yes, it is an AI chat assistant, but it chats just like me. You should have all your answers from this AI chat assistant. And at the same time, you will learn about the efficiency of our AI agents. But if you are not happy and you still have questions, absolutely no problem. DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. All right, back to the training and learning process. I was showing you how to learn from somebody else's video or any other content super fast using AI. Now that I got the SOP, I asked AI to write hyper-realistic image prompts for each section of the SOP or the standard operating procedure. And I got the prompts. Now see the magic. I will copy this, Control C, now put it here. I will just add draw and hit enter. But unfortunately, for some reason, this image was not created. So AI tells me that you can create this image using DAL3, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. I will go to Gemini, which is Google's AI, and put the same prompt here and hit enter. Image is being generated. Interestingly, I started a new chat and I got an image result. Somebody's doing research on fishing pole for beginners. I think Google Gemini gave us better results. A fishing pole is showing on the user's computer inside the image. So what did we learn so far? You can use AI to learn from others' content. You can ask AI to generate prompt for images in order to present what you learned. This way you can learn easily, remember easily, and also present the same knowledge to others using the images. For example, I can say go to Google and research on fishing equipments and show this image. Now you might be thinking, Mosh, we are supposed to learn how to make money using affiliate marketing with 0 following. Why are we talking about all this? The answer is, in order to implement the TAP method, we needed to learn this fundamental. So what is the TAP method? T stands for trend. Identify trends. Go to Explore section and I just searched with a term AI prompt and look at the interest. Pretty high and pretty steady. And in fact, it looks like it's rising now. So I identified a trend. Now I'm going to use it. I'm going to attract and attack to get customers, even if I have 0 following. I will go and look for a Facebook group and or a Reddit group that is active, a lot of people asking questions, a lot of people answering. The admins and moderators are hyperactive. They nurture the relationship with the group members or community members. And I will look for questions that's getting a lot of attention and I can add value there. So here's an example. Somebody asked a question, what is custom GPT? I am new in the realm of AI. I saw there are 42 comments. I read the comments and I found most of these comments are pretty vague and general. But I also saw there is one answer that a lot of people liked. That means the members in this group are active. They're checking the posts, questions, and they're also checking the answers. So I did a little bit of research despite the fact I already know about custom GPT, and I provided a really good answer. Very short, straightforward, and to the point. And guess what? I got 14 likes and people asked me more questions about it. And there was another post asking, how are you guys automating your business with AI? And it got 97 comments. Most of the comments are vague. Either they're mocking the post or giving a 1-line, 2-line answer. So I took time and I provided a quality answer. And here's the interesting part. I got only 10 likes on this comment, but that's not more important. What's more important, there are lots of members in these kind of groups who don't ask questions, don't provide answers, don't even engage, but they are checking every post and comments. So from these couple of valuable replies, I got more than 100 followers from one of these groups. This is called attract method. In this method, you use other people's posts and attract audience towards you. And this has a 3-step process. And while doing this, you make sure you provide either of these 3. B stands for better, E stands for unique, and D stands for different. So when you respond to this kind of posts and you want to attract audience towards you, you want to make sure your replies are better than others, unique compared to others, and different than others. And always remember, no call to action. Do not show your interest of attracting people towards you or towards your website or towards your group or anything of that sort. You want to present yourself as a helpful person. Trust me, if you do that, you won't believe how many people will look for you, reach out to you, have a conversation with you. They will follow you and they will silently buy from you. Now, the second method is called attack. Here, we don't wait for others to post something on social media, Facebook, Reddit, group, or wherever. We go and create content. Content type 1 is group posts. Here is an example. This lady right here created an AI image of her own. This was the original image, and this is the AI generated image. And she even made videos of herself. And she posted exactly what she did in order to make these images and videos. So this is a high value post with clear benefits. People in this group learned exactly what they can do with their images for their clients' images using these advice. So 109 people engaged in this post, 44 comments, and I can tell you she probably got more than 100 followers just from this post. After you make group posts, post the same thing into your profile as profile content. Example, Jonathan Mass is the founder and owner of this group. And of course, he posts valuable content in the group. And at the same time, he posts the same thing in his profile as well. So people find him from the group and people find the group from his profile. In either way, people get engaged with him. Another person, Mike Wayne, he does the same thing. He posts valuable content in different groups and he showcases his content and his offers in his profile. However, there is another kind of content that gives us massive results. I'm going to come back to that in a moment. But before that, I want to cover profit. Let's go back to Mike Wayne. He has a software business. It's a SaaS platform, and he put this SaaS platform link here with a detailed sales message. So the people who look for him from these groups following his value content, they find this offer, and if they find it valuable, useful, they buy from him. I remember he posted somewhere he has more than over 100 users of his softwares that he acquired from these groups and social media presence, and that's it. It clearly shows that this step method works and you can generate profit from this. Now let's go to the content that we use a lot. It's called short videos. So basically we use AI and we learn fast. Then based on our knowledge, we make short videos. We publish those videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us free customers to our AI operated automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best part, the whole thing is 99% done for you for our members. And of course, if you're interested to learn more about our program, the link to the training video is in the description. Go watch the training. You will love it, you will enjoy it, and you will learn. And at the end, you will learn about our program and you can take an educated decision. And of course, you know that, right? If you have questions, you can chat with this chatbot or you can chat with me directly. We will be more than happy to answer all your questions. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and we will see you on the next video.